Hey everyone, this is Jay, and today I'll be showing you how to configure EIGRP on Cisco routers. Alright, so for the network we have here, we have 3 Cisco routers with each 2 serial WAN links and an end node connected to a fast Ethernet port. So let's start off with configuring the routers. Let's go in here and enter the command line. You want to type conft, and then let's go into the serial connections. So let's type in S01. Alright, let's start off with the IP addresses. And let's put here 10.10.10.1. Very simple. Okay, and the no shut command. Alright, so as you see here, this problem I ran into a few times. You need to manually put in the clock rate of the DCE connection, which is on this router. That's what all the clocks mean. So on this interface, we need to set it up manually. So to do that, we're going to type in clock rate. Let's go with 64,000. These are in bits, by the way. Okay. So now let's go to the next interface, which is the serial 00. Let's type in an IP address of 12. There's space here. 12.12.1. Okay, and the no shutdown command. So in this one, I want you to put the clock rate because the other side of the connection will do that for it. Okay, so now let's go to the other interface, which is the fast Ethernet connection. Okay, IP address, let's go with 1.1.1.1. Very simple. Okay, and again, the no shutdown command. Alright, so let's get out of this mode. Alright, as for EIGRP, what you want to type in is router RIP and a number that matches with the other autonomous systems, so let's go with 10. Alright, so you want to put in the networks that are going to send and receive these messages, so let's go with 1.1.1.0 network 10.10.10.0 and network 12.12. Alright, so that's it for this router. So let's go on to this one. Again, same thing, enter the command line. So let's start off with configuring this connection here, the serial 00. First, put an IP address here of 10.10.10.2. Okay, and no shutdown. Okay, so now let's go with the other serial connection, 01. This here basically means that once the connection is established and you have the clock rate established, it'll actually connect to it. If you don't set the clock rate, you won't get that message. So now let's go to the next serial connection. Alright, let's type in IP. Let's go with 11.11. Let's go with that too. Okay, so no shut. And since this one has a clock here, so we need to manually set the clock rate for the DCE side. Alright, so now let's go to the fast Ethernet connection. Let's go here with 3.3.3.1. Okay, and no shutdown. Alright, so we set up the 3 interfaces, so let's go set up EIGRP. Alright, so type in EIGRP and 10. So let's put in 10.10.10.0. Alright, so you see set up the new agency actually, with the neighboring router, which is this one right here. Alright, that's when you know you made a connection with it and that EIGRP is configured properly. So let's go with this network. Okay. Let's go to the fast Ethernet network. Alright. So now let's exit out of this one and let's go to the final router. Alright, so again, T interface 01. And let's go with the IP address of 12.12.12.2 and the subnet mask. Okay, no shutdown. Okay. So now we gotta set up the clock rate on this side. So clock rate 64. Alright, so now let's go with the next one. 00. And let's set up the IP address here, which is 11.11.11.1. Alright. No shutdown command. And now the final interface, which is fast Ethernet 00. Alright, this is going to be 2.2.2.1 and the subnet mask. No shut command. Alright, so again, let's go set up EIGRP. Alright, 2.2.2.0. Alright, you see here, once I set that up, made a connection with the neighboring router. That's a good sign. Alright, and here it goes again. Alright, so now let's set up the IP addresses for the end nodes. Let's go to the IP address, and that this is 2. And the default gateway. Alright, let's go to this one. Okay. Alright, that looks right. Let's go to the final one. And this is 2.2.2.1. No, actually, .2. And here's that one, the default gateway. Alright, so everything should be working. So now to test this out, let's see if we can ping a neighboring PC or something across the WAN link. So let me go over here and ping this PC right here. So let's try that. That 2. Alright, and there you go. So now we have connectivity to this computer. So now let's try if we can ping this one. Alright, and there you have it. So now this just shows that we have connection throughout the network. Alright, and that's how you configure EIGRP. Thank you very much.